Hello YouTube, welcome back to Case Technologies. In today's video, we're going to talk about JavaScript variables and functions and how to use them. Just the basics right now. We're not going to actually implement them and access the DOM or anything like that directly or within an HTML page. I'll just go ahead and allow you to see what the variables are and what the functions are and how you can use them. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share on any of your platforms that you use. Let's go ahead and utilize our tools here. I just want you to go ahead and open up a Firefox browser. If you don't have it, just go ahead and take this time to download one now. I already have a window. I'm going to bring it in. I want you to go to the upper right hand corner and select the hamburger menu, and then select web developer, and then select web console. And if you already don't have this option right here for the multi-line, I'm gonna show you how to get there. So let's exit out of that. It should pop up right here in the right hand corner. So you can switch to the Multiline Editor. And what that allows you to do is for us to write multiple lines. We're going to start out with the basic standard here. I'm going to say var hello equals, and this is a variable, all right? Var hello equals hello world. And you want to end that with a semicolon. Press enter, and then all we're going to do next is say hello. All right, and then we're going to come over to this box right here. Oh, we actually want to console.log, and then that was semicolon. I hope you guys can see it right here. It's kind of small. And we're going to go ahead and run. And right here in the pane, hello world comes up. After you get that to work and you have the hello world, we're ready to move on to something else a little different. All right. So we can add a few more. Let's clear this all out. We can add multiple variables. All right, so we can say variable first equals 25, and this would be your integer here. Variable second would equal 45, and then what you can do is console.log first plus second, and then end that with a semicolon, and then we will run it, and it will give us an output of 70. Right here, so you can do addition with your variables. You can add them together. Okay, and let's see. We can also change that out to say world. I'm gonna say hello here. Oops. Hello. And run it. It become one big jumbled word. But if we put a space in between them, let's see what comes in. Now it becomes hello world again with a space in there. So I hope that this is helpful. You can start seeing all the different things you can kind of put together and why it can be useful. All right, let's talk about function. We're going to do function add. We're going to do first and second, kind of like we did earlier, but we're going to create the function. And we're going to say console.log, that log first plus second, right? And we're gonna add, I'm gonna add semicolon to this. And then we're gonna go ahead and run the function, but we're gonna enter in two numbers. Any two numbers will do. 23 is my first number, and the next number is 78. I don't have it there for any particular reason. I just want to go ahead and show you how you can run this function. And then we're going to select run. And the function actually works for us. It does what says 101. But we can also run the function multiple times. We can say add 3 and 52. And we're kind of doing like a simple calculator process right here. We can do 1,245 plus 4,522. All right, and we can just run all three of those and see what we get. We get 101, 55, and 57, 67. So you can use a function for simple processes like that for addition. We can get rid of that. Let's do a different function. Print hard. We're going to print it up for this next function. And we're going to say, all right, some type of statement here. And we're going to say console.log statement. So whatever you put in there, we're just going to put it in. We'll say print it up, but we're going to come back and say, we're just going to say word. Let's do word, not statement. Say word. This is the word that you used. Let's say comma, colon, space. And we're going to use a plus sign, word. So we're going to say print it up. I'm going to say spectacular. And we're going to say run. This is the word that you use. It's printed, and it prints the word spectacular. Okay, so you can use string manipulation, string replacement. You can also use addition, and that's the basics for utilizing a function or JavaScript. You can do a whole host of other things. You can also run for loops. I can show you that right now. We could actually put this console log in there, and we could run all right, and we're gonna put this actually inside of a for loop. So for x equals 0, x is less than number, x is less than number, and we're going to do x plus plus. All right, put this inside of that. And we're going to have to add another input up here on the function, and we're going to call it num. So we should have word and num. So print it up, word num. And then we're going to have a for loop here with the number x. And let's see if we can say spectacular. Let's see if we can do spectacular for 100 times. Let's go ahead and print that. Let's see if I can clear that up. Yes, it's clear. And say run. And there you go. Voila. We print it. This is the word that you use 100 times, and it started with 0. But I can also start x at 1 and do it 100 times so we can get rid of that problem. And hit run again. Oopsies. There we go. We have 2 pages. Let me clear this out so you can see. Very good. And it started at 1 right here. There you go. But if I change this, I actually have to change this to 101. And let's see this real quick. And it'll do a 100. There you go. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And share. Most of all, share. And get those likes up for us. We really appreciate it.